Welcome to the Immigrant's Way podcast with the immigration attorney Margaret W. Wong with over 40 years of experience. Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Margaret Wong, and today, April 29th, 2021, at about 11 a.m., the U.S. Supreme Court came out with a very awesome decision that's very important in the immigration world. We don't know if it's timing. U.S. Supreme Court timed this decision right after yesterday's President Biden's 100-day speech, but this decision really impacts a lot of us. The name is Nitz v. Chavez, and I still have to review it because it's only been about maybe 2 hours that we have that decision. But the gist of that decision is something we have been waiting for a long time. This conversation actually started about 2 years ago for the notice to appear, which is the charging document in an immigration case. So for example, a charging document on a civil case is what we call a civil complaint. You file a case with the court in Ohio Common Pleas Court, an Ohio Municipality Court, because the landlord owes you money, you owe them money. Or you want to get divorced, that's what we call a civil complaint. In the criminal arena, especially in like a DUI or something, it's what we call, you either get a ticket when you're stopped, right? That's also itself is a charging document. It's the beginning of the process to bring you to court to solve an issue. So for example, I killed someone, that's all I do. The police people would investigate and then charge you with an indictment. So it's called an indictment in a criminal case. In the federal criminal law area, sometimes they have information. So when you say you plead to information, that means they haven't really charged you with anything, but they expected to win the case or they expected us to lose the case. So they say, I'll plea on information. That means I'll plead before the charging document. So coming back to immigration, the beginning of the court proceeding, which is the removal proceeding, which is after April of 97, is what we call the NTA, the notice to appear. Before then, is what we call the OSC, order to show cause. But it's the same thing. It's a charging document alleging this person who came undocumented to America or who has a green card and have a criminal record. So that means that whatever I'm doing in America inside the border, they're charging me with bringing me to court. You could be an arriving alien. That means you haven't really been accepted into America yet, but you are still across the border inside America. If you are still outside, like you're in the airport, you're not allowed in yet, that's really not even an arriving alien. That's what we call you're not here. That's exclusion. That's why they don't even NTA you. They don't even give you stuff because you don't really have any right because you're not in America. That's why there's only 3 borders in America, one from Canada, one from Mexico, which is Arizona, Texas, and California, and that's it, or you fly in. So all these borders are controlled by CBP, which is a part of U.S. Homeland Security, all right? So this morning, our judicial branch, America have 3 branches. You have judicial, legislative, and executive. So last night is the main speech by President Biden. That's executive. Today, U.S. Supreme Court it's judicial. So the U.S. Supreme Court is saying that if your notice to appear on the left-hand corner in the lowest side, you have a date. They always have a date because it's a date of issuance. But on top, they have to be booked or something, like no date and time or blank or to be notified or something, then if you have been in America for more than 10 years, you may be able to do a motion to reopen that case, even though you already have deportation or removal decision, and say, I may be entitled to Chavez, all right? So this is a very, very important case. We already have some cases waiting for this case because I would like to win it for my clients. I'm so excited about this. So, so I would like for you to at least learn something, read this case. It's U.S. Supreme Court is sort of fun. And one of those days, I mean, one of those is so nice. But right now, U.S. Supreme Court also have no Asian men and women that sits on it. You have one Latina woman. They have 2 or 3 Jewish men and women. But it's really, of course, you have the Chief Judge John Roberts. So again, my name is Margaret Wong, and do read this decision. It's very, very important in the immigration world. And God bless you.